In my experience, the best way to appreciate the power of this statement is for you to have an experience, a personal experience about position sizing. So let's play a game. Not very complicated. You're just going to need a piece of paper, pen or pencil. And let me talk to you about the objective and the rules. So the objective is that you make more money than me. We're going to have 10 trades. And you don't have to worry about how things look on the charts. You don't have to worry about entries. You don't have to worry about exits. You're just going to calculate the risk amount per trade for 10 trades. So imagine this is an automated system, and before each trade gets executed, you have to specify what the risk amount is for each trade. So your starting equity is going to be $100,000. There's no leverage, and you can only go long, only long trades. You have to risk at least $100 per trade. There's no sitting on the sidelines in cash. So $100 out of 100,000, though, minimal basis points, right? So, and I have a bag, actually I have a bowl with marbles in it that represent the reward to risk. So in this bowl, rather than I do have a leather bag, but it's just easier to go quicker with a few marbles in a quick game like this. Each of the colored marbles has an associated R multiple value. So in the mix is one pearl colored marble. It has a -5 R multiple. Now what that means is if you risk $100 on a trade and I pull out the pearl marble, that means you have a loss of 5 whatever you risk. So -5 times 100 is -$500. So you would lose $500 on that trade. You would adjust your equity. There are 3 green marbles, and each of those has a value of a -1 R. So you lose what you risked. So if you risked $100 and I pull out a green marble, that means you lose $100. There are 7 black marbles. Each of those has a +1 R multiple value. That means if you risk $100 and I pull out a black marble, then you just earned $100 and add that to your equity. There is 1 blue marble in the bag, and that has a 10 R. So if you risk $100 and the blue marble comes out, that means you just made $1,000 on that trade. Now, there's 12 marbles in the game here in the bowl, and they get replaced each time. So this mix does not change. So you've got a 75% winning rate on this system, and the average R multiple is 0.75. So over time, over many trades, you could expect to earn 75 cents for every dollar that you risked. So decent system, pretty good. Maybe better than some of the ones you've traded, maybe not.